So let us talk about Jira service management, and especially one area that I promised that I will cover, and that is how to effectively use Confluence knowledge base when it comes to helping your customers not only with self-serving. I mean, we have talked about this integration, but also whenever you get a new request, new ticket from your customers, and you are trying to provide any resolution, or maybe you have provided any, or you have provided resolution. I think you should try to sorry. I think you should try to also take it as an opportunity to enrich your knowledge base. Now I received this request uh, on my service request, one of the earliest request that I received, and I have of course responded to the request with something like don't worry about the exact details of my resolution, but what I wanted to to share today is if someone is asking a similar question again in future, then uh, you can actually create a knowledge base article, and when you create a new knowledge base article, that new customer who is trying to do something similar will get suggestions on the portal. So at the same time, so by the way, this particular ticket that I received was on how to bulk edit values using custom field values using script now, and I have provided a response. And let us say if someone is asking the same question, because it is a very common thing to do. So for doing that, I'll first open my portal if I can. I don't remember the okay. So let me just try to find the portal. What is my portal URL? I don't know. I need to check portal. Okay, it's not in my history. So I'll probably open this sidebar. I will then go to channels and I'll click on this link. So just one more way to find your portal URL if in case you are struggling. So this is my portal, and of course it looks good, and we have talked about how to change the look and feel, but that is not the point today. We are trying to understand how to um, bulk edit custom fields. Now if I type bulk edit, I'm getting some suggestions, but I'm not yet there how to bulk edit custom fields using script runner. So I do have some articles, but of course because my knowledge base is still new, I'm trying to enrich it with wonderful articles so that you guys can take advantage. And I'll not really do anything. I'll just go to the help center, for example. And what I want to do is, of course, I want to create a new article. So let us create a new article. And for doing that, if you look on the right hand side, you have this option called knowledge base. I mean, this is of course your sidebar, which is on the right hand side. I'm using the new view. If you go to the option here called knowledge base, you have three related articles. I guess these are based on some keywords, but I want to create one which is going to help me and other customers. So I'll click on this plus icon on the right hand side, and you can give your article a name, how to bulk edit the, let me just try to reduce the size so you can see it properly. How to bulk edit custom fields using a script runner, right, for Jira. Okay, and you can choose a template. So I'll use a template called how to, because that is what we are doing. So we'll click on the link, and the good thing is that you will be taken to Confluence, and you will be not only taken to Confluence, but you can also see it doesn't really work. It is a bit annoying, but usually you can also see here the the text that can be auto-filled for you, and I'll probably do it myself, and I'll just copy the text from the original question, from the original description. Let me just. Oh, I know why. I know why the text uh, got removed, because I accidentally deleted it. Let me go to the history and update it again if I can. Okay, I'm just trying to find in the history the. Okay, so there was no description. My bad. I think it is fine. So there was nothing in the description. So let us continue. So this was the question, and um, I guess this will be the description. Let us say if you're using if you are using script runner, then you can definitely perform bulk updates. So instructions, and by the way, these instructions and basically the template is there for you, so you can quickly create a new article if you have to. And what I'll do, I'll just try to paste it. So this is my resolution, which is take a look at this video where I talked about blah 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 and blah blah blah. And once you're done, you can then publish it, and you can then go to the help center to validate this. And when you go to the help center, let us just refresh, start again. Let us make sure that the knowledge base articles are coming up, and they are coming up. So if I now see, if I do something like custom fields, so I can see this article, and you can also see this article if you want. If you go to the portal, you can click on it, and if I'm a customer, I can see the details. I look at the articles, and was this article helpful? Yes, it was. Great, thank you very much. I'll give my feedback. Yes. And if I now go back to my reports, I can also see the information that will show basically the number of tickets that were deflected from the knowledge base by looking at the knowledge base articles. So I don't have anything yet. Why? Because I was able to deflect. So let me just click on the refresh. Was I trying to raise a ticket? I think I should have been trying to raise the ticket, but I was actually just searching. But let me just take a look at the report. It has been a while. I think I don't even remember the last time I did something with the reports. Usually I rely on EasyBI, which is great. Add a series. So do we have anything that I can use? Anyways, that is not the point today. I was trying to, I'll probably figure it out. But anyways, what I was trying to show you today is how to create this linking of knowledge base articles and your tickets, of course, because not only it will help your customers, but it will also help maybe your agents, people who are trying to provide resolution. Let us say if I'm an agent and I'm looking at this request and I don't know the solution, I can of course click on this icon here that says share as comment, and then I can see here that this particular link has been pasted to my comment. So when you are starting in the beginning, when your service desk is new, you won't have much. I mean, try to, of course, populate it with at least with FAQs, blah blah blah. You know, we are new. Click on this link and do this, whatever. But as you're resolving your tickets, as you get more tickets, you will have plenty of opportunities to enrich your knowledge base, and that is what I will be doing. So now I have a wiki where I will be linking these things along with, of course, my website. But if you look at these articles won't be detailed because I want all the content to be on my website ravisagar.in. But I can, of course, whatever I'm replying, if the reply is common, I can at least have those links that will point to the website, so you don't have to, raise a ticket. For example, I want you to, I want to help you because I mean, you're not really my customers because you're not really paying me, uh, but I'm treating you as my customer. So please raise tickets, and it is also an opportunity for me to help you guys in a better way, because I receive a lot of comments, and I've been saying this quite a lot in the past, that when you raise a ticket, I have a proper way to respond to you using, of course, Jira Service Management uh, project. And that is all I wanted to talk about today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you also learned something new today. Thank you very much.